Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best complete strut assembly that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have MOSTPL US Front Complete Spring Struts. The MOSTPL US Front Complete Spring Struts are designed for easy installation and are compatible with Nissan Altima Coupe or Sedan 2.5L models from 2007 to 2012. The set includes 2 front shock absorbers that replace the complete strut assembly with guaranteed exact fit. It is important to check your car information before purchasing. The bearing on the top of the shock absorber should be lubricated, and the waterproof dust cover must be put in place to ensure that it is not damaged. Laser flaw detection using oil-quenched alloy spring steel wire. Imported cold coil spring machine can ensure product consistency. Inferior piston parts. Iron plates are easy to rust, causing oil deterioration and valve rusting, causing premature failure of the product and unstable force value. Moving on at number 4, we have ECCP Front Struts Shock Absorber. The ECCP Complete Struts Spring Assembly is designed for 2007 to 2013 Nissan Altima models. The struts are made of premium quality materials and treated to be anti-corrosive, which makes them more durable to withstand extreme temperatures and vibration. The pre-assembled struts include all necessary components for a trouble-free, one-time installation, providing a better driving experience and improved ride comfort. Multi-lip piston rod oil seal with advanced production process ensure the strut will not leak oil. The interfaces of our struts are the same with original one that makes sure they can be replaced directly without any change. At number 3, we have Detroit Axle Front Struts Shocks Assemblies. This 4% set of Detroit Axle front struts with coil springs plus rear shocks assemblies is designed to fit specific Acura CSX and Honda Civic sedan models, and is complete and ready for installation with no additional work or special tool required. The suspension components are built to meet the rigorous demands of today's foreign and domestic passenger cars, trucks, and SUVs. Electrophoretic coating can improve corrosion resistance and oxidation resistance. Each strut has been professionally tested. Fully assembled unit includes everything you need for strut replacement. No need for coil spring compressor and special tools. At number 2, we have Detroit Complete Strut Assembly. In case you want a highly reliable option while buying struts but also want something that can be used to repair both your wheels, then you can consider going with Detroit Axle's offerings. Detroit Axle's 171,661 struts come at the second position of this list, as you can go for these if you want a highly reliable option that can also be used for larger repair projects. Unlike the previous Monroe ones, these struts come in a pack of 2 for the front wheel of your car. Speaking of your car, these are made for the Chevrolet Impala along with a few other older Buick cars. Unfortunately, these struts are not designed for 18-inch wheel models. And finally at number 1, CCIU Complete Strut Assembly. While you might not have heard about CCIU in the past, its struts offerings are quite different from most other ones out there in terms of installation and included parts. These CCIU struts are the only option in this article that comes as a complete set for both the front as well as the rear wheels. In other words, you will find a total of 4 struts in the box so that you can repair all the wheels if needed. Another great thing about these struts is that they are compatible with both the Mazda 3 and the Mazda 5, making them highly versatile.